If your MacBook keyboard is starting to look and feel gross enough to use, here's how you can clean your filthy Mac keyboard and make it look almost as good as it did when you first bought it. Just right before we jump into showing you how it works, get notified about new DIY cleaning guides and tips by subscribing to our channel. Your Mac keyboard might look as disgusting as this, but before thinking of buying a new one, you can turn things around for this keyboard and make it look new again in just 5 minutes. Here's how. First, you need a Jointstar's Turbo Mini keyboard cleaning kit. The great thing about Jointstar's Turbo Mini is that it comes with two functions, a vacuum and a blower. For the vacuum end, you get 2 nozzles, and for the blower end, you get 3, all designed to get into every nook and cranny of your keyboard. It also comes with 2 brushes and a cleaning gel to clean up microscopic filth and grime. Start off by sucking up every loose dirt using the vacuum function with its brush attachment. This takes as much as 40% of the work done. Just even after vacuuming, the keyboard looks good enough to use again, but let's not stop there. Now, use the blower function with a slim nozzle to go over crevices and corners where filth is still embedded. Jointstar's Turbo Mini's air power should be able to pull them off the surface. With stubborn dirt loosened up, gather those up using the vacuum function again. There could still be tiny bits of dust you couldn't see, as well as sticky dirt. For this, use the cleaning gel. Place it on one area for at least 5 seconds before moving it to another surface. Do this until you cover every space of the keyboard. If some traces of gross filth still remain, use a damp cotton swab and go over the grimy area with it. In just 5 minutes, your gross and filthy MacBook keyboard should now look something like this. Look how different that is from before you clean it. Getting your Mac keyboard dirty again is unavoidable, but you can minimize the dirt buildup by eating away from your keyboard and by going over it with the Jointstar's Turbo Mini once a week or once every 2 weeks. Want to get more keyboard cleaning tips? Get notified by clicking the bell button and get updated with new posts by subscribing to this channel. To get your hands on your own Jointstar's Turbo Mini, check out the description below to get a link. This is Jointstar's, your superb but affordable DIY expert.